Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Trello card aging and activity log checks. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Trello and log into your account. Navigate to the board that contains the card you want to check. Locate the specific card you want to verify. Click on the card to open it. Look for the activity section on the right side of the card. Here, you will see a chronological list of all activities related to that card. You can scroll through this list to review any updates, comments, or changes made. Now, to check for card aging, return to the main board view. Identify the labels on your cards that indicate aging, if you have set them up. If you have not set up aging labels, consider adding a system that visually indicates age. Another method for checking card aging is to use the card aging power-up. Go to the Power UPS menu on your board. Search for and enable the card aging power-up. Once enabled, your cards will visually display their age based on inactivity. Cards that have not been updated will fade in color, making it easy to spot them. You can also set a specific time frame for how long the cards must be inactive before aging occurs. Now that you have both activity logs and card aging set up, review your findings. Decide if any cards need immediate attention based on their aging and activity history. This process will help keep your Trello board organized and up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.